How many of you want to transition into the coaching profession? Did you know that coaching is not a regulated profession, which means anyone can call themselves a coach? The good news is that a recent survey by PricewaterhouseCoopers in 2022 revealed that 85% of clients seeking coaching services wanted their coaches to have gone through a certified coaching education with credentials from an internationally recognized coaching association. My own experience working with multinational organizations is that increasingly they will work only with a coach who's been trained and certified to at least a level 2 or professional certified coach (PCC) standard of the International Coaching Federation (ICF). ICF is a long-standing internationally recognized association that offers the gold standard among the many coaching associations that set the standard for coaches and the coaching profession. ICF has the most rigorous criteria for coaches to be credentialed. It involves 3 main steps for all 3 levels. Step number 1 is coaching education. Number 2 is coaching experience, and number 3 is your coaching knowledge. So in order for a certified coach to maintain their credentialing, they must renew it every 3 years by pursuing continued education for a minimum number of hours with specific learning areas such as coaching competencies or ethics and business development for each of the 3 levels of coaching credentials. So at International Coaching Education, ICE, we've been one of the accredited partners of ICF since 2013, and we're licensed to deliver the ICF coaching education standards for all 3 levels, namely associate, professional, and master coaching. Furthermore, we're one of a limited number of ICF accredited coaching education providers who delivers the advanced accreditation in team coaching, a program which was only launched in 2022 by ICF. ICF is the only coaching association with this advanced accreditation and team coaching credentialing standard, demonstrating their leadership among other coaching associations. So in summary, the first step to applying for ICF credentials at any level, associate, professional or master, is to start your coaching education with an accredited ICF education provider. So step 2 is to start your coaching experience, which includes starting to earn income from your clients after setting up your coaching practice. Each level will demand more coaching experience hours, and therefore it means that not only are you more educated with coaching, but you are more credible as a coach and you can make a bigger impact. So it means that you have expanded your coaching business, having coached more clients and earned more income from your practice. The coaching knowledge, which is the third part, is gained through an exam, and that is an ICF requirement. And this is to ensure you're qualified for credentialing. This exam will be testing you that you have fully grasped the coaching competencies and the code of ethics as a coach, by asking you to decide the best approach in various scenarios you may have to face as you grow your coaching practice. At International Coaching Education, ICE, we have noticed that coaches can go through education successfully and start coaching clients as long as they're provided with the client to coach. There's a large percentage of educated coaches that want to be earning more income, working with more clients, or receiving higher fees. We have noticed a sizable group of coaches that finish their education and find it challenging to build the experience hours to reach the ICF standards, or they rely on reciprocal coaching, which is a bartering system, to complete their experience hours rather than building a steady client base and increasing their revenue from delivering coaching services. Therefore, at ICE, one of our core values, which is progress, is where we're focused, and we believe that our success is very much linked with the coach's success. We have three, therefore, addressed this need in the market by introducing a number of programs and initiatives for the coaches to be able to run their coaching practice successfully and increasing their coaching revenue steadily over time. We have noticed a sizable group of coaches that finish their education and find it challenging to build the experience hours to reach the ICF standards. And they rely on the reciprocal coaching, which is a bartering system, to complete their experience hours, rather than building the steady client base and increasing their revenue from delivering coaching services. At ICE, one of our core values is progress, and we believe the success of our students is our success. We have therefore addressed this need in the market by introducing a number of programs and initiatives for the coaches to be able to run their own coaching practice successfully and increasing their coaching revenue steadily over time. We don't believe any ICF accredited coaching education provider in the international market has fully addressed this need, mainly because their focus is on providing the ICF standards for coaching competency education. Therefore, we have taken the leadership to close this gap for those who want to build a thriving coaching practice as well as becoming an ICF certified coach. We have therefore created a new program called Coaching Business Accelerator, which goes beyond that step 1 of the ICF coaching education standard. The program takes those who register for coaching education through all 3 ICF steps. In fact, we've gone beyond the 3 steps to ensure the coaches receive continuous education to be able to renew their credential and continue to grow their coaching practice and revenue stream. To deliver this change, we have expanded our team of experts who have achieved the transition from being employed to running a thriving coaching practice and have trained and coached others to do the same. I am a clear example of this, having left a corporate career after almost 20 years and providing coaching services for the last 2 decades. The Coaching Business Accelerator program provides 5 main additional over and above programs to what ICF requires for a level 1 and a level 2 program. So these are: number 1, we deliver above the ICF standards of education to ensure the coaches at ICE deliver a higher quality of coaching at any of those levels by providing things like more hours of education and practice, smaller classroom sizes, and more stringent pass marks. Number 2, we've added the strength development program that focuses on utilizing your dominant talents and investing them to reach excellence in what you do as a coach, which includes becoming one of the best performing coaches for your selected market. Number 3 is adding the revenue generation program to build the mindset and deliver the sales process to reach your sales target for your practicing of coaching, drawing on your talents to deliver that superior result. Number 4 is a lifetime access to seasonal events, both face-to-face and virtual, focusing on your coaching delivery, your talents, and your business outcome. This also includes being part of an international community with the collaboration opportunities with ICE. Finally, number 5, customize the overall program delivery to your unique circumstances and desired outcomes with dedicated support to work through any challenges with the transition to your coaching business. For a limited time, we have decided to provide 100% scholarship for the 5 editions, which means that by signing up for a level 1 associate program or a level 2 professional coaching education program, you will automatically enroll in a level 1 or 2 Coaching Business Accelerator program. This scholarship is valued at between £1,850 and £3,000, depending on which program you enroll in and whether you meet a certain minimum criteria. What are they? Number one, you must be enrolled in a level 1 or a 2 coaching education program at ICE. 2, you must be committed to completing the work required outside of the classroom to meet your desired targets, including the ICF certification requirements and business growth. 3, you must outline and be committed to strive towards the revenue generation and other personal and work targets by the time you reach the end of the program. Number 4, create and share the first pass niche market you want to work with and the clear value proposition prior to starting the revenue generation program. And number 5, commitment to continuously develop your talents, your coaching competencies and business of coaching through the continuous education we provide. We look forward to you joining the ICE community, which is a diverse international group of coaches creating massive value for your clients and building a striving, sustainable coaching practice. Thank you for listening.